Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw a stitch. So first let's get started with the side of the face. And we're going to curve this line around and then in. And then we're going to move across to the other side of our page, lining it up at the same height, and we're just going to replicate that. Let's close this off on the bottom now with a slight curved line, bringing this all the way over and then back up on the right. On the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line up and then in for the top of the hair. We're going to curve this line out and then down. And then again, one more time, curving this line over and then back in. Now that we've drawn the hair on the top, we're going to curve this line back around and then down, closing that off on the right-hand side. Moving down now for the eye socket here, we're going to start on the side, curving this line around and then down. Ending that at the same height. And then starting from that corner, we're going to curve this line around and then out. We're going to make sure we thicken our line up on the top now. So starting from the corner, just bringing our marker out, coloring that in black. Now let's draw in the pupil. So in the center, we're going to kind of follow that pattern. So we're going to curve this line around and then down. And then from the inside here, we're going to curve this line around and then back up. Now on the top corner, let's draw in a circle for the highlight. Now for the nose, right in the middle, we're going to draw in a nice big arch line. And then closing off the bottom, curving this line around and then back up on the right. For the nostrils, arching this line over from the center towards the corner. Moving up above, we're going to draw in two curved lines, making the top one slightly shorter. For our mouth now, in the corner, we're going to curve this line in just underneath our eyes. In the middle, we're going to draw in a straight line that comes down. Now from our center line here, we're going to bring this line across. We're going to curve this out, down, back up. And then we're going to do the same as we move over towards the right-hand corner. In the middle, let's draw in a small curved line from left to right. And then on both sides, let's just arch this line down towards the bottom. Now let's draw in our ears. So on the top, we're going to curve this line up and then over. On the right-hand side, we're going to start back on this line, curving this line around and then in. And then on the left, we're just going to draw in a shorter line, curving this line down. Now from here, we're going to draw in a sideways letter V, and we'll do the same on the bottom. Now on the left, let's curve this line around, bringing that in on the side, and we'll do the same thing on the right. Now on the left, we're going to bring this line over and then in. And then on the bottom, just curving this line across. Now let's draw in our arms. So on both sides, we're going to curve this line in. We'll move in towards the center, replicating that, ending that at roughly the same height. Now as we move down in towards the center, we're going to curve this line further in towards the middle. And then again, moving over on the outside, bringing that line in. Now for the hands, for the thumb, we're going to bring this line up and around. moving across from that corner, replicating that. And we're just going to draw 4 of these in total. So as we move all the way around, curving that line back up, and then we'll replicate that one last time, closing that off. And now in each spot, we're just going to draw in a small triangle for the claw. And now in the middle, curving this line around and then up. We'll do that 3 times in total, just bringing it around as we come further in towards the top. Now let's draw in our back feet. So again, we're going to curve this line down from the side. And then we're going to do that 3 more times, so 4 times in total. Bringing that around in a circle. And now from that corner, just curving this line in towards our hand. Now in the middle, let's draw in a circle. Now up above, we're just going to curve this line across in each open spot, in each bump. For the back leg on the right side, curving this line in. We'll do the same on the left, bringing that in. And then one more time, just curving this line in towards the top on the left. We'll do the same on the right. And that is it. That's how you draw stitch. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.